right, welcome back to the Trello tour. So you'll notice when I click on this board, it's going to pop up a board, right? So board's the blank canvas where your team creates a masterpiece. One look and you'll see your whole project broken down from things to do to, oh yeah, we did it. So you can see this example, to do, doing, done, okay? And this is a great way to visualize your projects, okay? Speaking from experience myself, I've used Trello for years. I'm probably 6 years I've used Trello, maybe a little more than that. So I can tell you that visualization is the way that I not only learn, but plan things. Okay, I visualize things, I plan them out, and Trello is a great tool for that. Okay, so that's boards. Then we have lists. So the different stages of a project start as simple as to do, doing, done, or build a workflow custom fit to your team's exact needs. There's no wrong way to Trello, correct. So what I do is I have pre-production, production, post-production, and then launched. And I use that for my courses. When I was doing websites with a full-time job that I had planning and development and then launched. I think were my three. I had a 3-step system, okay? With video production, I have 4 steps with the courses because I do pre-production, production, post-production, and then launched. So that way I know, okay, I've done these 3 steps. Now I can label this as launched and we're good to go, okay? And then finally we have cards. So cards represent your tasks and have everything you need to get the job done. As you make progress, drag cards from list to list so that everyone knows the status of the task at hand. So what this does is this gives you the ability to move it from a pre-production phase or step 1 to step 2, however you want to do it in terms of your boards and your lists. It gives you a visualization of the work getting completed, okay? And so again, that's why I like it, because it's a visualization and it shows you exactly what's going on where. And that's why Trello is such a great application, okay? For project management and for everything with that, okay? Manage tasks with ease. Cards keep all your work on track and everyone on the same page. Fill them up with every detail you need. So you got members. Keep everyone accountable by adding members to cards. Due dates, you can add due dates to the cards. Checklists, okay? You can add attachments. Okay, no more digging through endless email chains to find attachments. Just drag and drop them onto a card so the right files stay with the right task. This is a huge one because you can get caught up in email chains and lose files with email because with the invention of cloud storage over 10 years ago with Google Drive and Dropbox and Microsoft's OneDrive, there's no reason to do email, okay? A lot of cloud-based applications like Trello have storage for you. So you don't need to even use Google Drive if you don't need to. I mean, you can integrate it with this, but using Trello's storage is the best way to go. Okay, now they limit the size that you can have. I believe it's 10 megabytes, maybe a little more, but you're not going to really need large files with this. Okay, see work in a whole new way. Bring perspective to your entire organization. Views make it easy to display your data across boards and teams in a clear and actionable way. Okay, so you can see website launch on Tuesday. Okay, turn your board into something more. You can integrate other apps, so Google Drive, Slack, and others, and hundreds more, it says here. Scale your team with Trello, whether it's a crew of 20 or 2,000, Trello grows alongside you, every changing team with features for every step of the way. Okay, your work your way, automate your workflow, get peace of mind, adopt processes from the pros. Okay, you got templates here. And then the pricing, which we went through in the previous section, you got free, business class, and then enterprise. Okay, so that's a tour of Trello. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.